In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do a single arm push press with a dumbbell. Now you can do this exact same version with a kettlebell if you would prefer. Now firstly, what I want you to do is come into a squat position. There's a subtle difference between the squat and press and a push press. So if you're looking for the squat and press, go to my video, dumbbell thrusters, that'll be what you're looking for. A push press is I'm going to hammer curl the weight up into position. I've actually got the weight here resting on my shoulder. Now, elbow nice and close tucked into the body, feet just wider than hip width apart with the toes pointed slightly out. I want you to imagine coming into the first 15% of a squat. So simply put, you're going to bring your hips back, bend your knees slightly, knuckles facing up towards the ceiling, and you're going to press out of that position as hard as you can, bring the dumbbell down, and then return back to that position and press out as hard as you can. Make sure that when you're doing this, when you come into position, it's really important when you're pressing that weight up that you're not coming into a position where you're extending the lower back. So make sure you're bracing your core as hard as you can in this start position and keep it braced as you come directly up vertically towards the ceiling with the dumbbell. Now you repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions.